Welcome back. If y'all watch our last live feed entitled Naked and Afraid, one of Mrs. Naked Gardener's main concern was when she's coming out here to water, especially when the weather now and the season where the sun is going down a lot sooner, that she didn't want to come over here by the faucet to turn the water on and off, because one time there was a snake out here. It was just a garter snake, a little grass snake, but she was concerned about that and not knowing what is going on here. So in this video we're going to do a product review over the Hampton Bay LED gutter lights, and we're going to start right now. What's going on, YouTube Gardener? It's your boy Sydney from the Naked Gardener channel. In this video we're going to do a product review over the Hampton Bay LED gutter lights. Now, like I said before, Mrs. Naked Gardener was concerned about watering out in the area where the hose is. So we're just going to do a product review. I got some cheap little, well, I wouldn't say cheap, but inexpensive gutter lights. It's a four-piece set, and it looks fairly simple. Got to remove plastic before you use, and it comes with some some hardware here. I guess you just snap it in there. It looks very easy. So we're gonna put these together real quick, and then show you where we're going to install it. We got 4. I probably just need 2 by the faucet, and we'll probably put 1 on each side of the house. So I'm gonna see what I need to do from here, and then we'll set up. All right, let's get growing. All right, so we're gonna be putting it right around here, since as you can see, the hose bib is right there, the faucet, so to speak. So let's see how we're gonna do this. As you can see, they're nice and secured, so it would basically fall in line with there. There'll be a light on each side of that, focusing on that, so it gives a good light in the middle. So we'll do another, see how these go at night, and then we'll add another one by the AC unit right there, and then on the other side of the house as well. So stay tuned for that. We'll show you from there. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and subscribe and share this video.
It's a full moon tonight, and this is the lights that Mr. Naked Gardener installed for me. This area is usually really dark, and this is my pathway. I probably want one more light over there because that's where the drying racks are, because when I get home during the fall months from work, I work all day, it's already dark during the fall months, so through the winter. But this is going to work out for me. Win-win.
So I hope you like this video. If so, make sure you hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button. And if you have some friends or family members that could benefit from this video, make sure you share this video with them. We have other product reviews. We'll put a playlist card right above here. And to the next video, let's grow together.